What's up, guys? It's been a while, but we're back. Today we're drinking Austin Cider's Ruby Red Grapefruit Cider. That's a lot. It's from Austin, Texas. Probably what's called Austin Cider's. 5% alcohol by volume. And of course, since it's apples, it's gluten-free. So for all you people that don't eat bread, this is for you. So, of course, shotgun shell like always. Save your finger from using a key. It's a really dry cider with a canned grapefruit juice aftertaste. It's Might be different if you didn't shotgun it, but still not that good. And it's really dry. But hey, try one out.